Look at this action. My stepson got me this. And I think it was overwound. And I took off the front and just kind of tried to get it going. And so far it's been running for about an hour, but it's really something. So I think it's running at, mid 1920s. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I love the dial. I love the numbers. It's just too cool. Wow. And there's only like one little, right there, there's a little nick. And in the back, one little, but yeah. Might take it to a clock shop that has my grandfather clock and have it cleaned. Awesome. Just friggin' awesome. Wow.